In a recent interview, the queen of reggae, Marcia Griffiths, opened up about a painful chapter in her career, shedding light on how she was betrayed and denied royalties for her mega-hit song, Electric Boogie. The iconic track, which became a global sensation, had Bunny Wailer serving as producer, arranger, and background vocalist. Griffiths shared that the beat for the song was created using a rhythm box she purchased after a performance in Canada. Bunny Wailer, who passed away in March 2021, wrote the song. However, she revealed that Bunny Wailer claimed 100% of the royalties, leaving her unable to earn from the track until Island Records boss, Chris Blackwell, intervened. She expressed her disappointment, stating, "I would feel better if I was able to make some money from it." But unfortunately, Bunny Wailer claimed 100% from the song, and whatever I made from that song is from performances, thanks to Chris Blackwell, who thought it was so unfair that nothing was given to me. So, I eventually in the end got some performance royalties. But I didn't get what was due. Nothing at all. And it was from my music that the song was written. Griffiths described Bunny Wailer's actions as gravalicious and criticized them as unfair, selfish, and driven by greed. Despite her disappointment, she emphasized her desire to maintain her friendship with Bunny Wailer and even invited him to participate in the official music video, as suggested by Chris Blackwell. However, to her shock, she discovered that Bunny Wailer had already recorded his own version of the song without her involvement. She recounted, "So when I finally found him, he had already done the song and was now doing the video with some dancers. I cannot find the words to tell you how bad I felt." Despite her initial disappointment, she still helped promote Bunny's solo version of the song, although it did not achieve the success she had hoped for. Marcia Griffiths had previously discussed the song's origins in a February 2021 interview, where she clarified that Electric Boogie was not a cover version, as some media outlets had incorrectly stated over the years. She explained that the song's creation was a collaborative effort with Bunny Wailer, stemming from a rhythm box she acquired in Canada during a tour with the I3s in the 1980s. For a long time, Griffiths did not receive any royalties from the song, except for her earnings from live performances. She credited Chris Blackwell with helping her secure artiste royalties, acknowledging his role in rectifying the situation. In closing, it's worth noting that Marcia Griffiths recently released her Golden album, a collaboration with Chemisphere Music and Donsum Records, featuring tracks such as Holding You Close, Black Tears, Remix, Don't Say Nuttin', and A Beer.